Hi there. So, I swore I would never ever set foot on this machine again. However, I lied because it's actually a really handy way to try and explain how speed works on a Concept 2. Because I have this machine set to resistance level 8. And if I roll lightly on it, this is a terrible machine, I get 8 meters per stroke, right? So I'm not putting much of a push from my feet here. I'm not putting much of a pull from my arm here, but I'm getting 8 meters per stroke. Then, if I roll with more of a push, more of a pull, I'm still only getting 8 meters per stroke. So, the only way that I could go faster on this machine is to up the stroke rate. Just a quick caveat to say I did discover afterwards that stroke length does make a difference, but power does not make a difference. If I was rowing on this at 20 strokes a minute, I would cover 160 meters, regardless of the power I was putting in. Always 160 meters per minute. If I then upped my stroke rate to 25 strokes a minute, I would then cover 200 meters per minute, because this is 8 meters per stroke, regardless of the power that I put into it. However, when we move to the Concept 2, then that is not how it works. So if I get on here and I row at 20 strokes a minute, just 1 stroke every 3 seconds, okay, so I'm putting in a kind of just a light press here, but 20 strokes a minute, and I'm rowing at 2:32 pace. But if I up the power, if I up the push from my legs, but I still hold 20 strokes a minute, you can see that I'm now going 20 seconds faster. Same stroke rate, but a lot faster now because I'm pushing the power in from my legs. This is about the power I put into the machine rather than it being about a resistance that I'm fighting, if that makes sense. So when I turned the resistance knob down to 1 on the other machine, then my meters came down because I was fighting less resistance. I mean, I just didn't want to row any more in that thing to show you it, but that's what happened. Whereas on here, it's about the power I put in. And so when people say I was rowing at 29 strokes a minute and I don't seem to be able to get the pace up, that's not the point. It's not about your stroke rate, because I can row at, let's see what happens here. If I row with very light press from my feet, I can have a shorter stroke, but I'm up at 40 strokes a minute, okay? Ish. But I'm not really putting in a full stroke. My technique's not great. I'm not putting in much power. But if I then got to 35, 40 strokes a minute and power into the stroke, we don't judge my technique, but you can see, because I'm now putting in loads more power with more stroke length at the same rate, I was then like basically rowing a minute faster pace, because it's about me putting power into the machine. So when I put power into the machine, it makes the flywheel turn faster. The flywheel then pushes more air out the way as it's turning faster. The stroke then feels a lot heavier because it's pushing all of that air out the way. So this is where the whole concept of resistance starts to kind of get a little bit mushy here, because yes, it's more resistance for the machine, but the payoff here is that you're going so much faster because you're now putting that power, you're creating that resistance rather than fighting something that is just set and kind of clamped shut. So for a Concept 2, it's not about the machine. It's not about where you set drag factor. It's not about kind of setting something on here. It's about setting something on here. It's about using your legs, your quads, pushing with your quads, getting that power into the machine, and then starting with them rather than pulling early in your arms. Because again, look, quads, biceps, quads, biceps. Okay, so you've got all this power in your legs that you can put into the machine. So if you want to go faster, push the machine away with your feet. Push that power into the machine. It's not about stroke rate on its own. I mean, obviously the higher the stroke rate and more power, you're gonna go faster. But it's not like tickling the machine with very little power and increasing stroke rate. You're only gonna see tiny little increases in pace. If you just think about power first and then increasing stroke rate, you will go faster, okay? So people saying, why can't I row faster? The answer is because you're not pushing with your legs, you're not powering into the machine. You're thinking it's about stroke rate. and the machine's resistance. It's not. It's about you generating the power. I hope that made sense. If you have any comments at all about this rant, then please leave them below. And if you want to watch me trying to row 2,000 meters on the worst machine in the world, that's where that video is. Go watch that, and I'll see you next time. Until then, please take care of yourselves. Remember, get in touch, but please take care of yourselves. Row well, be well. Bye-bye.